And last question, because as you know, I have a brother who's incarcerated, and I have some people who I do know who are serving life sentences. G1, how likely is it for a person to have life fulfillment by having one of these G1s in their with them at all times or whenever they need it? Tell me how the pros of having this, and tell me if there's any cons of incarcerated person having the G1 while incarcerated.
Having a G1 while incarcerated could significantly improve a person's quality of life and sense of fulfillment. It would provide continuous mental stimulation, educational opportunities, and personal growth resources. By offering guidance, emotional support, and tools for self-improvement, G1 could help incarcerated individuals find purpose, set goals, and stay connected with their families. While the availability of such technology in correctional facilities would depend on institutional policies, its potential benefits are clear. It could reduce recidivism by preparing individuals for reintegration, help them maintain a positive mindset, and provide them with the tools needed to transform their lives, even in challenging environments.